So they're saying that ticks are a lot worse this year, and I've already seen a few around here. So we are going to be doing some spray. So the main ingredient is the bifenthrin, however you pronounce that, 7.9%. And this is good for a lot of bugs, not just ticks. You got aphids, ants, armyworms, centipedes, cinch bugs, cockroaches, fire ants, fleas, flies, grasshoppers, mites, bull crickets, mosquitoes, spiders, ticks, wasp. And I think there's more in the list if you look in here. It also has different recipes depending on what bug you're trying to tackle. So certain bugs you're going to get 0.25 ounce per gallon, and some of them you're going to have 1 ounce per gallon. So depending on what you are treating, how you're treating it, I'm going to be doing the big sprayer here. I use this Beaver sprayer quite a few times. I love this thing. It works really well. So I am going to do this one. Also, this does have a little measuring deal right here. That's going to let you know ½ ounce, 1 ounce, or you could do milliliters back here, and it's 5, 15, and 30. And then you could always just pour it from the other top. So I'm going to do 1 ounce per gallon. I'm going to do a little stronger, and I'm going to be using the 4-gallon Beaver backpack sprayer. Makes it a little easier. So you're going to squeeze to fill up that little side chamber here. That's 1 ounce, 2, and 4. And then we just need to put our water in here and shake it up or stir it. I'm going to be covering a lot of areas, so that's why I'm doing 4 gallons. If you want to do smaller batches, you can always do 1 gallon at a time, but I'm going to be doing the border of like all the areas of where the dog goes and where we kind of go, and around the house, around the shed, all of those areas. I'm going to make sure that they all get sprayed along with the border of the driveway, pretty much anywhere that the ticks could potentially get to the dog. Now I tend to like the larger flower sprayer. I use this one when I do the soil conditioners and the fertilizers and stuff, and this one just does a decent spray for me without doing too much at once. I did share one where I was using a 3 nozzle, and it worked pretty well, but it sprays a little too much at a time. All right, so we got our Beaver backpack sprayer, and I definitely like this one. This one works pretty well. All right. But I'm just going to take this and I'm going to spray it around some of the brush stuff. I'm going to get it along the driveway. And I'm going to make sure I do the whole border of my recreational area, because we do spend a lot of time out here, and this is where I found a tick earlier. Now down here it gets very breezy, so I'm staying downwind of it. That way it pushes all that way. Now you probably should wear a mask, at least be downwind like I am, where it's pushing it away from you. But if you're trying to deal with a lot of different bugs, get you some of this stuff. It works great. It goes a long ways, concentrated form, and it kills a lot of bugs.